Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by removing the wheel from the vehicle and placing it on a stable stand. Inspect the rim for deep gouges or corrosion and mark damaged areas. Mask the tire with tape and paper to protect the rubber from polish and spray. Clean the surface with a degreaser and a brush, then rinse with water and dry fully. Wear gloves and eye protection during all steps to prevent injury. Begin sanding with 320 grit to remove heavy imperfections and corrosion. Sand the rim progressively using 320, 600, 1200, and finally 2000 grit sandpaper. Keep the surface wet while sanding to avoid scratches and to reveal true finish. Remove sanding haze with a clean cloth before applying polish to the rim. Apply a 1/2-inch bead of aluminum polish on the pad and spread evenly over the surface. Use a rotary buffer at 1500 to 2000 RPM and work in overlapping passes to build shine. Finish with a cotton buffing pad until the surface reflects evenly and smoothly. After polishing, clean the rim with isopropyl alcohol and allow it to dry completely. Mask adjacent areas and apply 2 light coats of clear coat for protection, following product directions. Allow the clear coat to cure for 24 hours at 65 degrees F before handling or exposing to moisture. Once cured, reinstall the wheel and torque lug nuts to the manufacturer specification carefully and evenly. Maintain the finish by cleaning with mild soap and water and avoiding harsh chemicals. Repeat a light polish every 3 months to preserve shine and prevent oxidation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.